Yun, sir. Combination.
Omnimodal means that
Combine.
any term under that classification can be utilized regardless of the mode of transportation, whether it's by air, water, or
Sand.
rain. Okay, so that's omnimodal.
Modal.
When you say marine restricted, that means that
Multi.
the Incoterms there are,
OFO.
yeah, those are the specific Incoterms that are under the classification of marine restricted. But the definition for that is that they are what? What is their class description?
Only apply to carriage by vessel.
Yes, they can be utilized only for waterway transportation.
Lalo na po.
Okay? So I think okay. So this is our quiz, no? So later na may ibalik ko siya later for
Jack. Hindi ka po.
four. The primary item or the only item that I ask you to compute is the FCA or the FOB, Billboard value. So for problem number one, as you can see here, so there's a situation. The product is 1 by 20 footer container and it is containing 160 cartons of calendars. Right. Calendar is general or dangerous?
General.
Well, sa mga banda ng badlong, pwede siya maging dangerous. Okay. The covering invoice reflected an amount of $116.09 each cartoon and freight charges as per invoice of $2,000.
Dollars.
Under the contract, the seller shall deliver the goods on board the main carrier nominated by him as a quantity partner. For port, main freight is prepaid. Question: what is the term used in the transaction?
Fruit pay. FO.
FOB, why FOB? Must be able to define what
On
FOB
board the
means
vessel.
dito. Because
On board the vessel.
on board vessel. Okay, the other one, CPT. May CPT ako narinig.
CFR daw, sir.
Yes, how is CFR?
Over na po.
Yes, the freight is prepaid. Yeah, it is on board, delivered by the seller, is on board the vessel, but the freightage is also paid by the seller. In that case, it's costs and freight. So meaning, in terms of the complication, since FOB lang, very simple. Bakit man? You just deduct the freight. Kung nabot mo tayo, 30 minutos ka pin. Remember that everything here will be used, di ba? Bakit man? FOB lang itingin. But if I ask you to open for duty stocks and other charges, well, that's the time that you can use all other information. Solution. Kailangan namin yung solution natin.
Dugoyan ako ka-realize.
Formula.
Formula. Huy, kan...
May taas na kayo mo. Kanta lang. Easy.
Huy, kan... Huy, bora na.
Piece of cake.
Ay, ang sa simbahan sa katedral. Diba I told you to compute only the
Joyce.
FOB, oh.
Palihog ko. Nag-Joyce.
Okay, yung other commission, all other charges,
Ay, sorry.
the full value. Kunya, FOB ko man. Diba? Versus on the FOB part. So later, we'll discuss how to compute FOB value from suitable value mean, from the FOB. So zero lang sa.
Huy, nagbasa. Gagawin sa katong pipiti. Ito po na.
Wala yung nakatama, diba?
Wala ako. Sir, i-plus na mo, sir, kay nag-base mi sa katong pipiti.
Din, delikado itong takpan sa
Yes!
naman sila.
2,000 ang freight charges. 2,100, sir.
Sir, kami ang dangerous. Ang amount man ang 2
So, pinaka-first, rate charges is for invoices with outside.
Oh, yes.
And then, according to bill of the trade is, ano nga sa invoice mo to?
Invoice, freight, and the bill of freight. So later, we're going to discuss which of them is applicable in terms of computation as a dutiable.
Uy,
Okay siya.
Okay, next, number
tama ka,
2.
Flor.
Sige na, kayo na
Uy, layo po ko'y
Let's
nagbasa.
identify. Okay, anong Incoterm?
CA.
Sige, ba yun?
CA.
Ocean trade is.
Okay, take note guys.
Uy,
FCA, yes, disregarded na siya. Kasi
Like,
ano
prepaid
yun,
naman
half
daw.
or more. Hindi man siya airport. Diba?
Ito, dito.
Sige.
Tignan mo. CFR.
CFR pa din?
CFR, sir.
Okay, because delivered on board and then prepaid.
Prepaid ang trade.
But, saan part ang may challenge?
Sa experts.
Experts.
Ako din ang next words. Parang to express simple kasi nga, ano lang naman. Yeah, next word and you add that. So first, we deduct the other, yes. So meron ka ngayon na pila, export and rate, 15,000. So saan kinuha yung 1.12? That is for 100% export and the 12% freightage is based on the export.
Uy, may suna. Uy.
Kaya 1.12. Diba yung equation natin last meeting?
Nagdoduwa na kung makustos
Last
ko
week
ube.
ko lang siya, di ba? Okay. Then we have export value is 14,187.50. Then since we're just going to omit for a full value, what you're going to do is add the other
Charges. 10.
Remember guys
280.
kung sa ano to, tao to, nasa mukha ko lang tayo ng part.
280 ug 80.
So malag, medyo malalag na yung pangalanan natin.
Ang 280 and 30.
Na-realize na saan banda.
Yeah, number 2.
Okay na lang ako.
Sa mga
Okay na lang.
Good pa man.
Kaya later, pag na-master na ninyo, pag yan ang hiningi, automatic na yan, mga seconds to play lang sa basketball.
Yes, sir.
3 minutes lang.
Sir, 3 minutes. Tagay na mo.
Sa first time.
Sakit di sa first.
Wala pa din nakakuha ng tama.
Wala. Samot na number 3, sir.
Nakabot sa 3 kay ano man.
Okay, for number 3,
Nation.
so obvious naman nung may binigay na Incoterm. Deliver that place. Diba, sa Incoterm, pag deliver that place, the value is composed of what? What are the components of the value? Pag DAP terms. Diba? Okay.
DAP, sir.
Components ng DAP term.
FO.
Diba kasi, how can you identify or how can you compute the FOB or any particular amount if you do not know the components of the value?
FOB plus freight plus
Paano mo
other
malaman na hindi na po ang
destination.
freight? Kasi CFR siya.
Yes.
Kasi ang CFR is FOB plus freight.
Freight.
Eh kung hindi mo alam na yung pala component ng freight,
Ex-
kahit abutin ka ng umaga, di ba? Wala pa din.
Estimation charges.
FOB
Yan,
plus
destination charges is part of the DAP.
FOB plus main
Hindi
carrier.
kailangan, yes, hindi mawala ang FOB and FCA
FCA.
value. What else? One.
Inland. Inland. Apin ba yan? Sa inland.
Yes, kami.
Ay, apin naman sa destination other charges.
Terminal.
Find your
Delivery to destination.
Like, apin lang sa destination other charges.
Destination
So,
terminal handling terminal.
Guys, ang reminder na nga, hindi naman ano kasi may late naman talaga. Sa computation natin, kung titingnan nyo, madali lang siya. Pero pag naka-absent ka ng kahit isang,
Wala.
wala.
Wala, naging ko.
Wala na, parang nasa ibang mundo ka na. So kaya next time, kailangan ano talaga ha. Kaya, on time tayo lahat, tapos kailangan present talaga kasi totoo yun, kahit kanino kayo magtanong, pag sa computation natin, may na-miss ka na discussion,
Oh, na message sa
parang
katuig.
alien kapag balik mo. No?
Yung isa katuig niya nawala.
So kaya, always remember that we're doing this for you, not for us. Sa inyo to, kaya kailangan You have to exert effort, be responsible para kasi may pangarap kayo. Kami din sir, mangarap para sa inyo. Pero kung hindi kayo mag-cooperate, wala din yun.
Balik lang nito.
Dali ka na ni sir.
Ayan. Sige. Natanda tayo. FOB is part of the DAP value.
Yes, sir.
What else?
Main carrier, destination, other charges.
Delivery
Main carrier, destination, other charges, sir.
Okay, carrier, freight carrier,
And
or main freightage from port of departure to port of importation. And then the
Destination,
destination, other charges,
Hello?
sir.
Destination
Destination
other
other
charges.
charges.
But remember, not all of those charges in the destination are part of the AP. You have to still select which of them. Okay, identify natin. Is 2,100 destination terminal handling charge part of the AP value?
Yes.
Good. What about the 15,000 delivery costs? So haulage, transportation costs within the importing country from the Bureau of Customs to the warehouse of the buyer. Yes, it is fine. Okay. What about the 4,000 unloading?
No.
No. Why? Because again, the term is
DPU.
DP. So unloading will just be included kung ang term natin ay
DPU.
Very good.
Delivery place unloaded.
Unya kay mali man.
So therefore, yung other charges natin will be 17,100. That is for our destination only. Bakit ko na yan? Kasi piso yan siya, di ba? So paano siya maging compatible with our value? Considering na yung value natin ay, so, hindi pa yan naman, hindi pa yan siya.
Mali.
Okay. Considering na yung value natin is in dollars. So what you're going to do is, what? Yeah, you convert your dollar or your piso into dollar. And then,
Curious to be.
you deduct na, no? The AP value less destination. So, after deducting the destination,
White marker.
yeah, or marker.
Marag naman marker.
Okay, doon sa mga late, okay lang na pumasok kayo kasi ako para sa akin, no, it's better to see you safe. Nakarating na yung hub. Pero, sa quiz namin, sorry na, hindi na kayo pwede part of ano yun. Kailangan mo din. So, zero na talaga kayo. Pero at least nakarating pa rin kayo maka-attend sa ating lista. So, next time, bawi na lang, no? So, oras na kung klase gani?
8.
8.
So,
8 to 12.
Sa oras na.
Karon gusto ng oras.
10.
Ikaw ba, gusto na ako na
Nine pa din.
Mag-alala ko yung po, no? Asa na natin sila? Okay. So to continue, so DAP, total niya ay, so given naman no, 25,894. So 17,100.
Okay ra.
Basta i-deduct ko siya. What is the result after the subtraction? Pero ano yung item? DAP less destination charge. Ano yung result? Yes. Then from CFR, you deduct the freight. How much is the freight?
Paglibog yun.
How much is the freight?
10% of the FOB value.
Therefore, CFR, what will you do? 10%. Divide
Divide.
1.10
10.
equals FOB. Murag makatingala, no? Ano
Sir, dili, makatingala gid, sir.
Sa bisa nag-compute, maura dito yung buhaton.
Wala naman na-realize. Wala na-realize.
Sige lang.
Sir, saan nila
Naabot
mag...
ko sa habang ang question.
Guys, for
Ano sa
exam,
customs sila?
Paragraph din ang question dito. Sometimes, isa ka papel, isa ka halos, isa ka... Ano, so, munang
Uy, kuya, wala.
sanay-sanay din mo taas ng mga...
May gani ka na yung multiple choice.
Okay, so this time, let's proceed with our discussion on
Wala, ito yung
computation of dutiable value. So how important the dutiable value is? For your information, dutiable value is the basis, kaya nga siya tinawag na dutiable value, in the computation of customs duty. I have told you last time that valuation is very important, it's very crucial, it's very critical function of a customs broker. Why? Because it could cost your license. Ano man? Pag mali yung na bigay or na-declare mo na value, you can be penalized under section 1400, which is about misdeclaration, deprivation, and misclassification. And on top of that is revocation of license. So, dun sa, is about the surcharge and fine. Okay? Then siyempre, di ba? What is the primary function? Para ma-relate natin with your lower minor subjects. What is the primary function of the Bureau of Customs?
To collect and protect.
Collect and protect. Parang PNP ano. Collect and protect. It's generic na. Anong i-collect?
Duties and taxes.
Government revenue.
Para bang in a nutshell. Okay. Kasi nakalagay sa batas is, the primary function of the Bureau is the assessment, the collection of local revenues and all other dues, fees, fines, and penalties accruing under the CMTA, diba, under the code. So yun, assessment and collection of lawful revenue. Ibig sabihin ng lawful is, tama, yun dapat. So align with the provision of the law. How, as the provision on how the value or the duties and taxes should be computed. First of all, you have to base on the valuation.
Patch.
Anong section ng valuation?
Section 700.
Gosh, nakalimut. Anong sad?
700
Sir,
yun, sir.
pass.
700.
May mga
700.
happening sa past, kailangan natin.
Tama ba, Luis, no?
Para na yun.
700 ba yun?
Yes, no?
700.
O ano yung, yes? Section?
700, sir.
Yeah, 700, di ba? 700.
701 ang transaction.
Revenue valuation. How many methods of valuation do we have?
Transaction. 6.
How many primary method? One. Pero kasi, yung
Transaction.
analyze ang question, wala guess how many primary method? Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Pero
Transaction.
how many alternate methods? Marami siya. Ilang alternate methods?
5.
5. So isa naman ang primary. So, ano man sila? So, 5. Diba? So, according to the provision, the dutiable volume of the goods shall be the... O, balikan natin. PM 103. The dutiable volume of the goods shall be the TV.
Transaction cost.
Yes, transaction volume of the goods. Which is the what? Transaction value is the what? Okay.
Price of
What is that? APP. Or PAPP. Pwede. Price actually paid or by whom? What is price actually paid or payable? It refers to price actually paid or payable. How can you define?
Goods sold export into the Philippines. Goods sold export to the
Yeah, you're
Philippines.
referring to the item, the product, the merchandise. Pero pag sinabi mo, sir, transaction value is the price actually paid or payable. Of what? By what or by whom? Yes?
Seller.
Seller. Is it the seller that will pay?
To the importer.
But APP or price actually paid or payable is the total price or value paid by the buyer for the benefit of the seller. So man, depende ngayon sa term. Bakit man? Kasi pag FOB, ano lang binayaran ni buyer kay seller? O, para ma-relate na natin. Base doon sa discussion natin ng Incoterm. So yung value ng goods plus the loading up to the main carrier. Diba? Pero pag CFR, ibig sabihin,
Freight.
So, kasama sa babayaran ni buyer, doon kay seller, is the freight. Why? Because during sa first part ng transaction, si seller muna ang nagbayar. Kaya alam naman natin, lahat ng gagawin ni seller na mayroong incurred na expenses, i-charge niya kanino? Hindi naman for free. Bakit man? Kasi nga, they're engaged in business and trade. Diba? So, hindi pwede na wala na ganit free pero sa gasa, di ba? Isang regalo na ibayad. Okay. So, in the computation, these are the things that you need to do. First, hindi pwede yung imtanon. Hindi pwede yung makakalimutin. Don't forget to remember. For a kanta, no? Don't forget. Sunday's best, no?
Sir, bago tayo mag-Paris.
Okay. First, we have carriage contract. Ano yung tatlong klase ng carriage contract?
Free carriage, main carriage, and carriage.
On.
Okay, good. Yan, important yan. Bakit? To determine ano yung mga charges that are involved in the transaction or in the delivery. Next is the main carriage. Of course, imposed on dyan. Nandyan lang yung si marine insurance and ocean or air freight. Then the on, ito yung nasa destination naman. So remember that in our computation, lahat ng on carriage charges are
Non-duplicable.
So therefore, hindi siya kasama when you compute for trivial charge. Kasama maybe in the process kasi let's say for example, the term is D term. So we deduct first the destination charges, but in the computation for DP, wala na, hindi na siya i-add. Okay? Then the input terms of course, anong term yan? Pagka dyan lang sa ano?
Ex-work.
Very good. What if the delivery is the warehouse of keywords, no? Warehouse of the carrier. FCA. Pero pag binayaran ng freight ni seller,
Fast.
CPT.
CPT. Cited. CPT day.
Tapos pag binayaran pa din ni seller ang insurance premium,
CIP.
Very good. Magaling na kayo, no?
Huh?
Darat lang yung magpapit.
Zero lang. At
Dami
least,
kayo masagot ko.
this morning, ang inyong zero ang pinakatampis na zero. Smile naman, no? Wala pa
Saan lang ka mo mga business ko?
Siya galing na naulahin na ganit siya kumpyuta, nalipay siya, ay pareha lang yung yapon.
Malit na yung magmitan na.
Okay, next, AS, with delivery is,
Alongside.
near the best seller. Dalawa yan, no? Alongside. Yes, alongside. Mga ano ba, no? Pag confident kasi mong answer, medyo usog kayo na, no? Yes! Alam natin. Halos din kalimot. Yan, FOB, of course.
Paita mo.
So all of them will be borne by seller. Yan. So, importante yan siya, no? CIF, the D-term, sa DPU, kasama ang miscellaneous charges except for unloading at the warehouse of very good, the buyer. And what else? Ano pa yung hindi kasama dyan? Import, UTS.
Taxes.
Very good.
Hoy, labot ang unloading, anak.
Last time. Okay, DAP, of course, hindi kasama si
Unloading.
at saka si
Important.
and another is hindi rin
DDT.
kasama ang main insurance. Sa D-term, walang insurance yung nakasama yan. Yung main ha, except lang dun sa internal insurance. So DDP of course, yan na, no? Kasama na sa import duty tax, pero may isa pa nila hindi kasama yung
Unloading.
at least ha, important to guys. Alright, again, that will determine as to